How to log in to your Netflix account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Netflix application or open Netflix in your browser and you will be led to the login portal. If not, then tap on the sign in option on the top right of your screen and here you will be led to your login portal. So go ahead and simply enter your email address or your phone number and then tap on the continue button you see there. You will then be required to enter the password for your Netflix account. And once the login credentials that you entered is correct, you will be logged in to Netflix successfully. So this was about how you can log in to Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.